At the University of Hull, business is about more than theory. It's authentic business learning. Working with real businesses, you'll bring ideas to life, from marketing campaigns to live projects that shape communities. With hands-on challenges and expert support, you'll learn to make confident, data-driven decisions, the foundation of every successful business. From supply chains to social impact, you'll explore how responsible leadership helps businesses thrive in a changing world. Leadership isn't just taught, it's lived. Through teamwork and real scenarios, you'll grow the confidence to lead. This is authentic business learning at Hull, where ideas meet opportunity and ambition becomes action. Establish yourself as a future business professional today.